Hello, ako po si Madam P at ito yung reading natin for the sign of Libra. Take only what resonates. Para dun sa mga gusto mo pa personal reading, Madam P. Madam Space P. Yan yung isearch mo sa Facebook. Diyan ka pwede mag-inquire ng personal reading. Pag di mo ma-search, ilagay mo hashtag Madam P TV. Lalabas yun. Let's start. What do we have here for the sign of Libra, Sun, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra? You do have here Knight of Wands. This Knight of Wands. Eight of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Energy. Energy lang yan, guys, ha? Yung binabanggit kong zodiac. Two of Cups at the bottom of the deck. Okay. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, you're running out of time. Meron kang kailangan madaliin. Or yung iba when it comes to relationship, partnership, yung iba parang nandito ka na sa point na nagmamadali ka or gusto mong madaliin, maybe yung connection mo with your person. The Lovers is here. The Moon. So, yung iba, lalo na kung may spiritual connection sa inyo, parang nandun yung parang, sana mangyari na, sana ganito, ganyan. Or yung iba, walang particular person, ha. Pwedeng meron ka lang minamadali. Maybe kasi nandun ka na sa age na parang gusto mo nang maging committed or mag-next, next part naman ng buhay mo. Parang ganon. Wait lang, guys. Okay. Sorry about that. May inayos lang ako. Anyway, sa relationship, who is this person nakakonect mo? The Five of Swords. Eight of Swords is here. Six of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Stuck siya sa something eh. Parang frustrated or hindi siya okay ngayon. Ito yung parang na-stuck siya sa bagay na pinakaayaw niya. Pero wala siyang magawa. Parang may mga obligasyon or obligado kasi siya dito eh. And maybe with the Ten of Cups at the bottom of the deck, tsaka Eight of Swords. Maybe may kinalaman sa family. So parang ayaw niya nitong ginagawa niya, napipilitan lang siya. And if there's another relationship or connection na involved, if your person is already committed, pwedeng may kakonect siya na hindi niya gusto or hindi siya masaya dun sa relationship. Ayan. So, kunin mo lang kung ano yung magre-resonate sa'yo doon. Nahihiya sa'yo tong person na to with the Five of Swords kasi parang may mga bagay kang kaya mong gawin at saka gusto mong gawin. Pwedeng alam niya or ramdam niya din what you want, kung ano yung gusto mo, kung ano yung deserve mo. Pero with the Six of Wands, I feel like hindi niya rin kasi pa-sure kung parang hindi kanya kayang tapatan or hindi niya kayang ibigay sa'yo yung mga bagay na gusto mo or kailangan mo sa ngayon. Marami pa siyang kailangan tapusin. Emotions. Spirit guides, angel guides, please tell me. Spirit guides, angel guides, please tell me. Okay. The Ten of Wands. The Ace of Swords. And the Knight of Pentacles. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Emotions mo, maybe yung iba sa inyo nagpo-focus ka sa new beginnings, and with the Ten of Wands, part of you is iniisip mo yung ending maybe dito sa person na to. And with the Knight of Pentacles, kasi may goals ka may mga gusto ko ma-achieve, ma-receive, or maabot, or mga gawing gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Tapos hindi naman siya cooperative, or wala ka namang nakikitang actions mula sa kanya. So parang sa'yo, bakit pa? Or baka masayang lang yung paghihintay ko, sayang lang yung oras. And with the Ace of Swords, pwedeng napag-isip-isip mo na rin, nagkaroon ka na ng clarity with whatever you want. Or yung iba, natutunan mo nang makakonect sa iyong higher self. So, you no longer feel itong person na to na parang kailangan mo pa siya or what. Kumbaga, you're building your own future, your own world. Pero kung ayaw niya sumama, kung ayaw niya dun sa future mo, bakit mo siya parang pipilitin? So, parang iba sa inyo, nagkaroon ka ng mindset na ganun. You want stability, Four of Wands, Page of Cups. You want a child, yung iba sa inyo. You want marriage, you want home, house, ganun. And the Hanged Man, I feel like yung iba, you've waited enough. Naghintay ka na rin ng matagal eh. Kaya ka ngayon nagmamadali na. Regarding sa pagdedesisyon mo about this person or about this new beginning. Emotions ng person na ito towards you. Spirit guides, angel guides, please tell me. Page of Swords, emotions niya. Page of Swords and the Three of Swords is here. Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, may nakikita kasi talaga tayong asungot dito sa connection. So, yung asungot, it could be a particular person, or could be kultura, or family, pwedeng yan, alin man. So, with the Page of Swords, saka masyado siyang immature pa. I feel like, at saka hindi siya nagpapakatotoo sa sarili niya eh. I hate the energy of this person sa part na yun. Kasi nakikita natin, kaya niya. Strength niya nga yun eh. Na ma-achieve din kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Like, kailangan mo lang of course ng communication. Hindi mo naman siya hinihingian ng ng whatever. It's just that you want this person na ipakita niya or magpakita siya, maybe sign or what. Pero wala ka kasing nakikita. Tapos yun nga, may mga sungot tayo nakikita dito. I'm feeling like this person is tinatry niyang hanapin pa yung balance niya sa sarili niya. Hindi siya okay. Dami niyang problema. Nine of Swords is here. Naipit siya sa sitwasyon eh. Tapos, the more na tumatagal yung pagkaipit niya dun sa sitwasyon, the more na siya ay nahihirapan, nasasaktan. In the near future, Ace of Wands, the Star, and Five of Wands, isa pang card. Okay, bottom of the deck, Queen of Cups. Nakita ko na like dragon or avatar. I don't know, something to do with that. Maybe yung person mo is born or ikaw sa year of the dragon. And the avatar is hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-explain eh. Cartoons kasi yun. Anyway, something to do with that. Yung si Avatar, yung may arrow sa ulo. This could be your reading. Maybe you have some kind of arrow. Something to do with arrow. Anyway, Ace of Wands and the Star. Yeah, you're starting something here in the future na may kinalaman sa pangarap mo talaga. You're seeing the light and you're focused on the light. I feel like dati kasi pwedeng kung saan ka nakatingin, kung saan ka nakafocus. Pero ngayon, alam mo na yung direction mo. Alam mo kung saan mo, ano yung gusto mong mangyari. Alam mo yung tingin mong mas makakabuti para sa'yo. So, I can see you heading towards that. May pag-aaway tayo nakikita, kaguluhan na may kinalaman sa home area ng person na to. It's not good. Pwedeng mawawalan siya ng pake. So, yun yung magiging dahilan kung bakit magkakaroon ng pag-aaway. Yeah. And I feel like yung iba may kinalaman sa family yon. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all guys and bye-bye.